be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another video. All right, now maybe a few weeks ago I brought you this video for the Ridge wallet, the MKBHD the light mode wallet, all right, from Ridge. And this one's pretty cool, you know, typical Ridge wallet that we're used to, but in the MKBHD logo. It replaced my other wallet that I had for maybe 6 or 7 years. So this was the last one I showed you, but today I got this one in, all right, and I wanted to show it to you all just in case you all were interested in this one and we're looking for a different option from the metallic build Ridge wallets. All right, so this is the Ridge Biflex wallet, and I got it in the Cobalt blue. All right, and I know MKBHD has his own version of this one. It's all black. You know, MKBHD loves all black, everything matte black, all that. So his is the black one, but there's also a blue one like this and a tan version. All right, my wife said she liked the blue the best, so that's what I went with. All right, so rethink your everyday. The Ridge Biflex redefines traditional wallet design with its soft and flexible construction. Made with premium full-grain leather and heavy-duty elastic, it combines durability with flexibility while developing a unique patina over time. All right, features RFID protection, holds up to 8 cards plus folded bills, premium full-grain oil waxed leather, and backed by our lifetime warranty. All right, we create everyday essentials to a standard you don't see every day. This wallet is no exception. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. And this is how it comes. This is the Ridge packaging. All right, and you take this off and boom. So this is what's on the inside. Here is the instructions. All right, so guaranteed for life, and this is the tan one here. All right, so there's a blue, black, and this tan. I think this tan one looks really nice too. I'm not gonna lie about it. This one might have been my second pick because I like the way that tan looks. Classic wallet color. All right, so you put that to the side, and here is the wallet itself. Now I've already set my information up in here, or set my information up. It's not a cell phone. Set my cards up in here. All right, so here it is. Let me bring it a little bit closer to you all. All right, so nice leather wallet. The materials are really good. It's a good grade of leather. All right. What I like about this one is that on this, you have the strap in the back, and if you have cash in it, it's going to be visible. But here, you can't immediately see that I have cash in this wallet. You know what I mean? Like, there's a few dollars of cash here. So if I was to slide this card out, boom, I got a couple bucks here. All right, I normally don't carry cash, but I got a couple bucks in here right now. Literally a couple bucks right there. All right, so I can put that back and boom. And then I got, let's see how many cards I got in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this side. And then I have one over here. All right. So it's 2 different compartments in comparison to this, whereas most of your cards are going to be in here like that, and you're going to slide them in there. On this one, you have 2 different compartments. All right, so you can put cards here, like I do have the 1 card there, and then I have 6 here. All right, let's see size comparison. They're just about the same size. This one feels a lot lighter than this. I don't know right now if I prefer the leather over the metallic version, but I don't know, man. This feels good. It feels good. It's light. I really do like the cash part, because sometimes I'm at work and I'll just get to work and I'll throw my car or my wallet on the desk. Boom, I'll just throw it on the desk and I'll go on about my business while I'm working. And I'm always like, what if I get up and go to the bathroom? Not that anybody at work is gonna rob me or anything, but what if I get up and go to the bathroom or go somewhere and forget my wallet there, and people can see, hey, he's got cash in his wallet. Let me just, real quick. I don't know. I like the idea that the cash is hidden almost. Like, it's there. It's clearly there, but it's not as visible. All right. You do have the straps on the side, the elastic, so it gives you a little bit more, pull there. And then you can look through there and see your card and, get it out, slide it out that way if you want to. It's a little bit more harder to get the ones on this side out because you're not using, let me not show you all my cards, but I have my, dang, see, it's super tight in there, but you can pull them out, boom, as you need them. All right. It gives you a little bit of elastic to get in there and slide them out as you may need them. And then on this side, you have the typical push, boom, and now you pull up, hold on, right there, you push it out. It's brand new. It's brand new. Like, I just got this wallet like an hour ago. So it's not, the elastic hasn't been worked and used and everything, but it feels really good. The materials on it are really good. Nice soft leather. I know as I use it, that's gonna really soften up and it's still gonna look great. You know how leather looks after it's been used for a while. Softens up real nice, looks really great. So you got options with Ridge. You got options. This card right here came in the wallet. All right. Inspiring the world to rethink their everyday. Scan to learn more and for exclusive offers. All right. So if you all want to scan that with your phone, let me see if I can bring it closer. Hold on, right there. Boom. If you all want to scan that with your phones, have at it. Ridge, designed for life. This new one is kind of like the leather version of my old wallet that I had before, the metallic blue. So I do like that. I was gonna like this color anyway, but I'd also like that I'm not gonna have to worry about this messing up, over time. Good Lord, man, I had this wallet for years and it was time for a replacement. Put that to the side. But you do have options, man. If you're looking for a thin wallet, this one costs more. I believe this one, but I got this as a bundle. It was this and the key holder for $125. So this is a little bit more. This one right here was I think it's $65, but it was on sale for the Amazon Prime Day in October. So it was $50. All right. So for $50, I think that's not bad. Definitely would recommend it at that price. If you can find it on sale at any given time, definitely go for it there, because it's a nice thin wallet. It's light, nice soft materials. You'll put this in your pocket and go on about your business, and it's not going to be something heavy there. No big, bulky, old school throwback wallet. And if you're not ready to switch to the metallic kind of wallets like this, and you still want your small, soft wallets, then this is the way to go. All right, I recommend this one for anybody looking for a new wallet and a miniature size. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for this. Just wanted to bring you a quick video and show you the differences between the two. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.